What's the meaning of calibrate? Calibrate. Calibrate.
Calibrate. Calibrate. Calibrate means to adjust or measure the accuracy of a device or instrument by comparing it with a standard. The result of calibrating a device is that its readings or measurements become more accurate and reliable, as any errors or discrepancies are identified and corrected. This is important in various fields, such as engineering, manufacturing, and scientific research, where precision and accuracy are essential. Without calibration, there may be significant errors in measurements, which can lead to suboptimal performance, waste, or even safety hazards. Calibrated devices also need to be recalibrated periodically to ensure continued accuracy, as factors such as wear and tear or environmental conditions may affect their performance over time.